Hey, welcome. In the next 3 minutes I'll show you how Notion works and how to start building a simple project dashboard you'll actually want to use. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that's built from tiny pieces you combine however you like. The foundation is simple. Everything is a page. Pages can live inside pages, so your workspace can be as flat or as deep as you want. Open a new page and think of it like a blank canvas that can hold notes, tasks, images, tables, and even whole subpages. Pages are made from blocks. A block is any single piece of content: a paragraph, a heading, a to-do, an image, a bullet list, or an embed. You build pages by stacking and arranging blocks. Want 2 columns? Drag a block next to another and release instant columns. Want to move a bunch of content? Select the blocks and drag them where you need. The fastest way to add stuff is the / command. Type anywhere on a page to bring up the menu of blocks and commands. Type todo to add a checklist, image to insert a picture, code for a code block, or divider to visually separate sections. It's a quick, keyboard-friendly way to build without hunting through menus. Databases are where Notion becomes magical. A database is a collection of pages with properties you define, like dates, statuses, tags, people, numbers. You can view the same database as a table, a board, Kanban, a calendar, a list, or a gallery. For a project dashboard, create a database for tasks. Add properties for due date, status, priority, and assignee. Then switch to a board view to run sprints, or to a calendar to see deadlines at a glance. Every item in the database is itself a page, so you can click into a task to add notes, subtasks, files, or meeting minutes. Customization is simple and visual. Add an icon and cover to give a page personality. Use templates inside pages to reuse layouts. For example, a project template that already contains meeting notes, task lists, and a goals section. You can also link pages together with backlinks and it mentions so related info stays connected. Collaboration happens in real time. Share any page or database with teammates, set permissions for comment or edit, and watch changes update live. Leave inline comments on specific blocks to give feedback without editing the content itself. To get started, try this. Create a new page. Add a simple tasks database with status and due date. Create a board view for current work, and pin that page to your sidebar. If you want, I can walk you step by step through building a clean project dashboard right now. Ready to jump in?